needs more cheese on top. Yeah, we might.
Think about it. You know what? Just now.
All of it. squeeze. That's like a lot of milk. All the starches. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
잘 먹겠습니다.
Happy
Thank you.
Thanksgiving.
아, 쏘가.
Turkey is good.
She got the biggest ghost. No. Hey, I don't like it. I'll leave you. I think mom likes whipped cream a little bit. Do you like your whipped cream with the side of pie? Yeah, but that movie, I think mom will like.
The guy?
Oh, actually, that's refreshing.
There's a movie called the Hacksaw Ridge. They call it Hacksaw Ridge because if you go up the ridge, you get shot up, you know, kind of like up through a hacksaw. But it's about a guy who went to war, and because of what was his religion,
Yeah.
he was,
That-
he
that
was,
is nice.
he was
That is nice.
overly like.
Quiet.
That's too long. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, it's okay.
US flew off 54,000. We gotta go that way anyways, right? July the 8th.